Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Yabank online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in ya.no and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Yabank. To log into an online banking account, go and click on the login link at the top right and select one of the options to continue your login process. You can log in with your bank ID with chip, or you can log in with your bank ID on mobile. Select any one option and enter your credential in the text box. Type in your username and click the arrow right next to the box. On the next page, type in your correct password to log into your account right away. Always make sure that you are typing in the correct credentials that you registered while enrolling with Ya online banking account. Once you type in your credentials correct, you'll be able to log into your Yabank online banking account right away. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.